Hello everyone, I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about all the planets and their aspectations and their friendship and enmity, which we are going to discuss by chart. First, let us take the aspectation. I have formed an horoscope where 360 degrees as per the calculation, and which has been divided into 12 equal parts, each of 30 degrees. For simplifying it, let's proceed further. For the study purpose, I have simplified it and I have taken that particular 360 degrees of chart into an basic Vedic birth chart, South Indian format. Here, it starts with Aries, ends with Pisces. 12 houses equal of 30 degrees each. Let's proceed further. Here, I have taken the aspectation of each and every planet: Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Sun aspects the 7th house from where it is situated, which aspects the 7th house exactly at 180 degrees. Moon aspects the 7th house too as an 180 degrees aspect. Mercury also aspects the 7th house from where it is situated as an 180 degrees aspect. Venus aspects the 7th house as an 180 degrees aspect. Mars aspects 4th house, 7th house and 8th house. Jupiter aspects 5th house, 7th house and 9th house. Saturn aspects 3rd house, 7th house and 10th house. Let's proceed further and take it as an example. For further study, let's proceed. Here I have taken a chart where I have predicted ascendant and where Sun is situated. Ascendant is situated in Sagittarius. The ascendant is Sagittarius where the Sun is being situated. From there you have to calculate for 7 boxes or 7 signs. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sun aspects as an 7th house as an 180 degrees. It's an example of the Sun's aspect. Now I have taken an friendship chart of all the planets: Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu. Sun has a friendship with Moon, Mars, Jupiter. It's neutral with Mercury, enemy with Venus and Saturn. Moon has a friendship with Sun, Mercury, neutral with Mars, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn. Enemy are none. Mars has a friendship with Sun, Moon, Jupiter, neutral with Venus and Saturn and enemy with Mercury. Mercury is in friendship with Sun and Venus, neutral with Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and enemy with Moon. Jupiter is at friendship with Sun, Moon, Mars and neutral with Saturn, enemy with Mercury and Venus. Venus is in friendship with Mercury and Saturn and neutral with Mars and Jupiter, enemy with Sun and Moon. Saturn is in friendship with Mercury and Venus, neutral with Jupiter and enemy with Sun, Moon, Mars. Rahu is in friendship with Mercury, Saturn, Venus and neutral with Mars, enemy with Sun, Moon, Mars. Ketu is in friendship with Mars, Venus, Saturn, neutral with Mercury and Jupiter and enemy with Sun and Moon. For any consultation purpose, you can reach me to my website. The website's link is given in the description box. My website is panditastrosolutions.com. Anyone can reach me through phone, mobile, WhatsApp or Telegram. The number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.